thank the directors of Alip. Let's start off with our directors, Direct Carlo Artiliaga and Direct Cathy Camarillo. Direct, sabihin na po muna for photos, please. Yeah, let's pose for photos muna. Direct Carlo and Direct Cathy. Okay. Thank you very much, Direct Carlo and Direct Cathy. Ngayon, ang nagpapatamis naman ng mapait niyong gabi. Narito na ang mga nagwagwapuman at nagkagandahan sina Gio, Maggie at Bobs. Please welcome Jane De Leon, Gab Lagman, and JC Alcantara. Please stand muna sa gitna, center for photos. That's Jane, Gab, and JC. One more down sa left. Ayan, ayan. Alright, thank you. Thank you, Jane, Gab, and JC. Narito naman ang mga bestie ng taon. Talaga rin naman pinag-usapan ang mga characters na doon na siyang naging best friend na sulsol, protective, pero lahat sila magagaling magbigay ng advice. Ang mga bestie ng bayan, let's call him Nina Dolino, Hero Angeles, Chai Malashare, Christian Bables, and Ria Atayde. Please stay with the center. Please stand sa center muna for photos. Let's start in the middle. Sa gitna po muna. Sa gitna muna, and then after a few shots, to the right, please, to the right. Here. Yeah. Lastly, to the left. And then one last in the center after. Okay, center again. One last. Parang wedding. Thank you, Nina, Hero, Shai, Christian, and Ria. Thank you very much. Ito naman, the family work business runs in their blood. Ang pamilyang mahilig tumakas sa gulo at tanging pera lang daw ang laging solusyon. Ang mga corpus, Helen at Maeng kasama nag-iisang Mauro Montefalco. Please welcome Romix Sormenta, Almiro Mulak, and Chris Villanueva. To the right, please, to the right. To the left, please, to the left. Yeah. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Narito naman ang pamilyang punong-puno ng pagmamahal na handang gawin ang lahat ng makakaya para sa proteksyon ng kanilang pamilya. Ladies and gentlemen, ang mga Bartolome, Nay Dolor, Ate Fe, Tart, at Uncle Ed na ginagampanan ni na Ami Austria, Daisy Carino, Tart Carlos, and Crispin Pineda. Salamat po. Ito po, i-escort po kayo ng aking team. Gusto po kayo po. Eto na, 4 of the biggest and most controversial primetime stars. Ang mga gumaganap bilang sina Lino, Jackie, Ace, at Jane. Please welcome Yam Concepcion, Sam Milby, Yen Santos, and Jericho Rosales. Okay, post muna sa gitna. Please look at the center muna. Center. please, to the right. To your right, to your right. Here, here. To your right, please. Guys, to your right. Yeah, to your right, to your right. No. To your right. Okay, to your left. To your left naman. Other side, please. Sam, yeah, to your left. There you go. And one last time to your center. Center, one last, one last. Thank you very much. Sige, paupuin na natin ang ating cast. Sige, let's wait for them to sit down first.